With documents, photos, and more to keep track of, you may be wondering what the best cloud storage solution is. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to explore the differences between Dropbox and Google Drive so you can decide which is the best solution for your business. Let's get started. The first topic on most people's mind is security. Both Dropbox and Google Drive offer two-factor authentication and encrypt data while it's in transit. But Dropbox actually takes a stronger version of encryption to keep your files safe while they're being stored. It's called Advanced Encryption Standard 256-bit encryption. On the other hand, Google Drive only uses 128-bit encryption for data and storage. So we're gonna have to dub Dropbox the security winner. Second on our list is free storage, because who doesn't like free stuff? Google Drive offers 15 gigabytes of free storage, while Dropbox only gives you 2 gigabytes. One downside of Google Drive is that if you use Gmail, Google Photos, or other Google products, you could easily burn through those 15 gigabytes before you know it. But we still think it's a great deal, so the free storage winner goes to Google Drive. And on to our next item, paid storage. If you need more than the free storage plans, you have the option to upgrade. Dropbox's plans for up to 2 terabytes of storage start at $11.99 per month or $9.99 per month if you pay annually. When you upgrade to paid storage with Dropbox, you also get features like Dropbox Smart Sync. And to get 2 terabytes of data with Google Drive, you have to update to Google One, a subscription service which ends up costing $99 per year versus Dropbox's $119.88 per year. So the clear paid storage winner is Google Drive. Now let's talk about file sharing features. Both Dropbox and Google Drive allow you to share files and folders, and they're pretty much the same when it comes to granting permissions or sharing links. Though Dropbox does have an edge over Google Drive when it comes to securing shared files. You can set passwords on shared files in Dropbox so that only people who have that password can access them. You can also set an expiration date for sharing, and after the date passes, the file sharing link won't work. Better yet, when somebody leaves or joins your team, you can change the owner status of the files, making transitions easy. So our file sharing winner is Dropbox. Last on our list is syncing. Both Dropbox and Google Drive use different methods for this. And while both automatically save files, Google downloads and uploads the entire document to sync it, which can result in delays if you're trying to access the latest version of the document from another device. Keep in mind, if you lose internet connection while Google is syncing your files, you could lose the work that you've done. On the other hand, Dropbox syncs changes to a file in blocks. It's much faster, and if you're using collaboration features in Dropbox, the changes appear more quickly for everyone. You also don't have to wait as long if you want to access the latest version of your file on another device. So our syncing winner is Dropbox. Now that you have the facts, it's time to choose a winner. In the battle of Dropbox versus Google Drive, the best cloud storage solution goes to Dropbox. Dropbox's top-notch security, slightly easier file sharing, and faster syncing make it a better overall service. But just so you know, regardless of whether you choose Dropbox or Google Drive, Jotform seamlessly integrates with both, allowing you to collect photos, videos, and other file uploads and automatically send them into your cloud storage solution of choice. Be sure to check out Jotform's integrations page to get started. Alright, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this Dropbox versus Google Drive comparison. Be sure to subscribe to Jotform's YouTube channel for more.